powerful invention is nuclear power. Originally in early 1940s, the intention of nuclear weapon invention results from arms race against Nazi Germany and other fascist countries. In August 1939, Hungarian-born physicist Leo Szilard, Eugenie Wigner drafted the Einstein Six letter, which warned of a potential development of extremely powerful bombs of a new type. In order to take advance and stop enemies, numerous top scientists and military talents worked hard in Manhattan Project in the United States, with alliance from UK and Canada. Finally, the nuclear weapon came out, and in the end of World War II, would provide a possible source of bombs with a destructiveness vastly greater than anything now known. In scientists' eyes, this is best job. In Japanese cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, objectively, it did debate Nazi Germany and other fascist countries and ended the World War II in a quickly way. However, after temporarily world peace, this hyper bomb has triggered another round of arms race worldwide. Until today, a few powerful countries have obsessed nuclear weapons: the United States, Russia, UK, France, China, India, Pakistan, Israel, and maybe more. In the name of world peace, the Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons is created to aim to reduce the spread of nuclear weapons, but its effectiveness has been questioned. Nowadays, North Korea and Iran have been continuing their nuclear weapon or nuclear power projects. On individual level, the rain effect of nuclear weapons is profoundly destructive. According to experts in International Red Cross, today, those affected ordinary people there in Japan were still receiving medical treatment after 76 years later. On international politics level, although political scientists have used game theory and intentional treaties to make balance and keep the world peace so far, all humans are still literally under stress of this great invention. Damn. What?
It is still an unsolvable problem?